Hello YouTube family, this is Geoffrey Ngosa. I'm from Zambia, the only Zambian nomad in this world. In case you are new in this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and leave the comment below to tell me what you think about this video. And also to turn the notification bell so that every time that I post a new video, you'll be notified and watch. In case you are wondering where I am, family, I'm still here in MAGUSA, the district of many churches. So in the meantime, let me enjoy this place, MAGUSA, a very good place to visit. So welcome to MAGUSA, as everybody say it here. So in case this is your first time or you want to know more about this place, please visit some of my previous videos that I've uploaded or posted on this channel about MAGUSA, the meaning of MAGUSA, as well as some of the videos about the places, the historical places that I've visited. The St. Barnabas tomb, where you can find it, Varosha, the ghost town, the effect of war, as well as the MAGUSA district, many churches and why they have replaced it. So this is a part of the summary of historical district of MAGUSA in Turkish Republic of North Cyprus. So I'm going straight. I have one place in mind where I want to have something to eat. So wherever you are watching this video from, bon appetit, afiyet olsun in Turkish. Enjoy the meal, or if you are drinking, enjoy your drinking. So I'm trying to go one of restaurants to have a bite before I leave this place. So I'm going straight before I go to the bus stop, just to go and eat kebab. And in case you are here for the first time, please try to eat kebab. It's more like chicken shawarma, so you enjoy it. It's one of the common food that they normally eat here, the Turkish food, the most common food. So you just have to try. So family, during this COVID period, SARS, which is going on in this world, this place or this country, it's very free in restrictions and easy in that regard. And if in case you wondered, when did you last see me wearing a mask? Here most of the shops and buses are normally free. You cannot wear the mask if you don't want. In case of just only few big supermarkets, that's where they can ask you to put on the mask. Even though the world is still in the pandemic panic, whatever you can call it, but we just have to protect ourselves. If you feel uncomfortable, just put on the mask and you enjoy your visit. So this place is more like a coastal place because it's near the Mediterranean Sea. So they have beautiful beaches, hotels, and good places. So if you want to buy clothes, you can find some of the shops like Waikik, and other shops where they sell cheap clothes. A lot of boutiques and shops, the prices of goods are very affordable. So you can see that people are living in Ammon. They are out here eating. They're trying to forget about things that happened many years ago, the war which happened 64 years ago. So they are now coexist. People are trying to learn to be happy and also to just move on, forget about, even though they can't forget completely about what happened, but they can still accept what happened and be happy. You can see most people are out here eating, chilling. So I'm trying to show you around as I'm going out, leaving this place. I really enjoyed to visit this place. So more videos are coming, not only this, a lot. And because people are now trying to learn to love one another. You know, love surpasses all things, it covers all things, the problems we have. Even though we have 4 types of love: God's love, which is agape. We have philia, which is the love for friends, as well as staunch, the love for the parents or the family love. We have also eros, which is physical attraction. So we are not talking about this kind of love. We just have to. So there are 4 types of love, which are philia, which is love for friends and people in general. We have staunch, which is love for the family, that is love for the parents and the children. We have agape, which is God's love for humankind. We also have eros, which is physical attraction. So we have to show this kind of love to our fellow human being. So talking about love, one of my friends asked me, it's like you love this place, Magusa, or have you moved to Magusa? I love the place because of the beauty, the greenness, the order, also and the safety about this place called Magusa. And I'm not moved into this place. I just came to visit and also to show you these exciting places that I've shown you and which I'm still showing you. So I'll still bringing more content from here because it's rich in history. So I've not moved to this place. I just visit and give you the details that the contents that you deserve, because I love you. So family, if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Be part of this family, the nomad family, the Zambian nomad family. So the weather here is cool. You can see most people are putting on shorts because we are in summertime. So this is the right place to come here. So friends, family, what are you waiting for? Please come down here. You enjoy this place during this period. And the hotels, accommodations are free for everyone. So just come to this place and enjoy. The place is quiet and very orderly. So we just have to enjoy and love this place. So family, I'm going straight, yeah, as I told you earlier on, just to have a bite in one of the restaurants which is in my mind. So I'll try to visit and try to eat something before I leave. So this is a nice place to visit, and the food is very cheap, it's manageable and affordable. You can buy anything that you want. So I'm going straight. So I thought instead of just leave without have a short conversation with you, so I thought let me just try to tell you or give you a summary about this place called Magusa, a beautiful place, yeah, the historical place. So you have to be here. So welcome to Magusa, Turkish Republic of North Cyprus. And if you are interested to know more, please join the Zambian nomad family. So we just have to enjoy the video, family. So this place is very beautiful and interesting. So try to visit in one of these time, like this month, during summertime. Just choose any month that you can visit. You enjoy this place. So unfortunately, good things do not last for a long time. So I've got to go. We've got to see many places. So see you in other places and other time. This is Geoffrey Ngosa, sign off. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.